Hakeem, my friend told me his family doesn't eat all day for a whole month? Is that true? The question comes from a boy named Amir, staring at his empty lunch plate, confused. His friend, Hakeem, smiles. It is true, Amir. It's called Ramadan. Every year, for one full month, over 1 billion Muslims around the world do something that sounds almost impossible. From the moment the sun rises until the moment it sets, they don't eat. They don't drink, not even a sip of water. This is called fasting, and the month is called Ramadan. But here's the part most people don't realize. The fasting isn't really about the food. It's about something much bigger, training the mind and the heart. Think about it. It's easy to be calm and kind when you're comfortable. But what about when you're tired, thirsty, or hungry? Ramadan is like a yearly practice session for staying patient, honest, and kind, even when it's hard. The fast isn't just for the stomach, it's for the whole person. During this month, Muslims also try to avoid gossiping, losing their temper, or saying unkind words. But why a whole month? Why not just one day? The length comes from the Islamic calendar, which follows the cycles of the moon. Ramadan is the name of a specific month, and it lasts for 29 or 30 days, depending on when the new crescent moon, the Hilal, is sighted. So it's not a random challenge, it's tied to an entire lunar month, the same way December is a month on our solar calendar. And this challenge is meant to build discipline in a healthy way, not cause harm. That's why not everyone is required to fast. Young children, elderly people, travelers, and anyone who is sick are excused. Each day follows a simple, powerful rhythm. Before sunrise, families gather for a meal called suhoor to prepare for the day ahead. Then, all day, no food or water. When the sun finally sets, the fast is broken with a meal called iftar. This is a deeply communal event, often starting simply with a date, as tradition holds. It's a moment of shared relief and gratitude, so significant that UNESCO has recognized iftar for its role in strengthening family and community bonds. It sounds incredibly hard, and it is, but that difficulty is exactly the point. When you go a whole day feeling that deep hunger, you start to truly understand how people who don't have enough food feel every single day. It builds a profound sense of gratitude for what you have. It builds empathy. And at the very end of the month, after all the discipline and reflection, there is a massive celebration. It's called Eid al-Fitr, a joyful 3-day festival. It's a time for family gatherings, special meals, new clothes, and prayers celebrating the completion of the fast. Children often receive gifts of money called Eid, and communities come together in a spirit of joy and renewal. It's not a punishment, it's practice. Practice for being a better, more compassionate person. As Hakeem tells Amir, sometimes the hardest things are the ones that teach us the most. And once that lesson is learned, there is always another chapter, another opportunity for growth, just waiting ahead.